Before Access Computer Training, my life is really different because I'm from Colombia. I become a citizen, and in my mind, I think I have a good opportunity because I have a degree in Colombia as a chemical engineer, but I don't have skills in computer. I don't know how make a resume. I don't know how do the interview. I found Access Computer Training from Career Source because when I go there and I asking for help, the lady who told to me say, you know computers, you know? And I say, yes, but a little bit. And I say, no, you need more experience in computer. And I'm so lucky found Access Computer Training. I learned technologies, I learned Microsoft, I learned ability for business, I learned how management the time. I learned how go to social media, how connecting with the people, how connecting with LinkedIn, for example. And this is the most benefit professionally in my life. When I was in class, Christine is make sure everybody understand. The classes is intensive, and I recommend it, especially at this time. The world is now virtual world. You don't need basic computer, you need computer skills. My boss Faye say my changes in computer and new skills, and she told to me about Excel, and she told to me and say, wow, you have improved your skills. I feel in charge now. After the class, I feel better. My jobs before was terrible. Now my life is totally different.
If you want to find out more about Access Computer Training, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.